Hi everyone! Today we are going to make the floor plan maze. You will need a base. It can be a cardboard box or a plastic box or just the lid, a piece of colored paper, scissors, straws or cardboard as barriers, double-sided tape, and a marker or sticker, and a marble. The first step is to cut a piece of colored paper to the size of the cardboard base. So you can measure it out and then cut it out. Next, you can get your child to recall how is your house layout like. You can start from the door and move on to the other rooms. You can also add in a special feature of your house, maybe like a kitchen island. And then next, you can take out the cardboard boxes as a barrier. Measure out the length of the walls of your house to make the barriers. Your child can help you to estimate, measure, and cut. And then you can paste it on. At this part, you can try to test out with the marble you have to make sure that the marble can go through the barriers. And finally, can add in the start and end point. Then paste it into the base. Put in the marble and then you can try out your maze and make any adjustments. You can add in also more challenges like getting the marble to go into a specific room. For older children, you can get them to make double-layered mazes with more barriers. It's all up to your imagination. Have fun!